racing, Sean by God McGee said he would fuck Jimmy Dale up right off.
He's been saying it all day.
All right.
Here at Conquer the Concrete, Thunder Valley, both in small tire. I don't like this.
Small tire.
Yeah, I don't like both of them.
I could call you out in first round. At least one of us could move on.
I guess, but
then you'd be mad at me if I accidentally beat you.
I don't like both of us being in the same class, so we need to get your front end on.
Definitely, because I think I could run with some of these True Street cars, but
The small tire is too much.
I've got a junkyard 6.0 on that thing.
I know.
I was telling them I built it off of Amazon, so
Yeah.
we are still calling it Smoky Joe though, because it smokes about 3 packs of Marlboros a day. So.
Only when they're drinking.
I mean, only when it's drinking corn alcohol.
But
I can't get them rings to see. So.
We're headed up for the drivers meeting right now, so we'll just draw out of the chip or draw out of the bag and see who we get, right?
Yep.
Did I drop something?
Yeah, this one.
Oh, thank you, sir. Mr. Jimmy Dale. That thing only smells a little bit like antifreeze.
Yeah, it's leaking. It's leaking antifreeze.
Yeah, I used to have a Dodge. It only smelled a little bit like it, you know. It happens. I think it's
that's
just
how you know it's running.
Yeah, that's how you know it still has antifreeze in it.
This lady came beside us on the highway. She said, "Your tire blew out." Paul sticks his head out the window, looked at the front tire, and said, "No, it's good." Fucking tire's completely gone over here.
On the trailer? Or
Yeah.
God damn it. Can't have nothing nice, you know it?
Can't have nothing nice. Oh my God.
Look, it's still good though. Look, you got rubber on it. It's still good.
Oh, yeah, it's working.
Yeah, it's fine, dude.
Yeah.
I don't even know what you're worried about, really.
Not even worried.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, it's good.
Hey, do I get one of these whenever I show up to Small Tire Gangsters or what?
Huh?
Do I get one of these when I show up to Small
You
Tire
win
Gangsters?
any class of Small Tire Gangsters, you get a Small Tire Gangster
Woo-hoo.
chain. Or you sponsor the event, but you just win any class that works.
I don't have enough money to sponsor. Rascal's gonna have to give me money so I can
Y'all were out
sponsor.
partying all last night. Did you go out with them?
Huh? Were you out last night?
Yeah.
How'd it do?
Well, we took cracking. Went
Yeah.
to the finals.
Hell yeah. Yeah.
So they're having to do surgery and stuff like that. The Mustang right here is doing a giveaway on his website. Every dollar you spend will be an entry that you get in to get the car. All the money proceeds will go to helping his daughter get her surgery. So y'all jump on that, trackersupply.com.
Looks awesome. Matt said he's buying it for me.
Yep, sure am. Fresh off the lot.
He said, hey, my grid didn't work.
You ever read Mustang?
I'm gonna buy you this Mustang.
I was gonna buy you the Mustang so we can put that in your car.
There we go. We can put it in there.
31.
Oh, that's the one with the dial.
Yeah.
How many degrees
Yeah,
per pound you
that would
want?
be good for me. I don't even have to hook it up to nothing, you know?
You get halfway down the track, you won't
Yeah.
Same class.
It's still a stick card, doesn't it?
Because I did have one that was still, it was just finger tight. It was like a half a thread on it. It was about 500 there.
Alright, that's over.
See what card Dave got?
Yeah,
It's
Yankee
probably
Days
still in
on the
my name.
Probably. I bet it is. He said it's still registered in Oklahoma.
It's
so.
registered in my name.
Yeah.
I own this car.
Fun fact, Dad owned this car for like a month or two.
No, like probably about 2 weeks, and then I traded it.
We traded it for WT.
Yeah.
We should have probably just kept it. But yeah, I think it's still in your name, so.
So technically it's my car.
Technically it's still
After
yours.
the race, we're gonna come get my car.
Technically it's still yours. So we're leaving the driver's meeting. We don't get to draw. It's gonna be, they pair us up in the, somewhere, I don't know, in the cloud or something, so.
Yeah, it's in the cloud.
So we're headed back, gonna start putting some heat in the bottle, doing whatever we need to yours.
Really, all we gotta do is set our tires and put heat in the bottles, and we're ready to go.
Yeah, so. Looks exactly the same.
Yeah.
We're drawn.
I did not.
He just wanted a first round buy, so he figured I'd be the easiest one.
What the fuck, Ricky?
Huh?
How fast are you going?
I went at 6:05 on the street the other night, so I guess you can say I'm doing pretty good. All right.
How you feeling over here?
Not good. It's making all the boost instantly for no reason. I don't know if you saw the last pass, but
Yeah.
yeah, it made 25 pounds in 0.5 seconds. So that's a problem. So we tried some redneck engineering to see if it worked.
I'm not moving until you move.
Yeah, no. Did he tell him?
I don't know. I don't know, because he walked up to me and he's like, "You're 3, right?" And I'm like, "No."
6, huh?
Yes. You're halfway there.
Awesome. Oh, there he is, right here. plugs on that rig.
I mean, I guess, yeah.
It came apart way too easy.
Tank was just shooting straight fuel in on out of the gate, and then it must have opened.
I know, I hit this one.
I knew that's what happened. So, yeah, you was just straight fuel. It sucks because
It was popping and back.
Yeah,
it was popping and backfiring the whole time.
Fuel in there. There wasn't no nitrous to it. Now the other one is working.
Fuck. Well, I mean, what's wrong with the fogger?
We didn't need no skid. I mean, we blew that thing into 1,000 feet.
What a raggedy! What a raggedy fucker, you know? If it was any part of a scoop.
Some pieces of it in 85 feet. Hold on, I want to see if the blades are.
It was popping, so I had to do something.
I think
Get some more, Paula. Get some more. Get some more. Get him, Paula. Get him. You about to learn what the fuck so long is. Hey, got 100 on his way. Over here. I'm over here. Right lane. Let me get over here. Hey, hey.
You got turbo fun!
Yeah, don't listen to me.
Hey! Hey!
One night.
Tire car, but he said he's been drinking. You don't look like you've been drinking.
Oh, he has. Oh, yeah. Yeah, a little bit.
Hey, I'd be drinking too if I was driving a big time. Just kidding.
Yeah.
I love that guy. I love that
He
guy.
made like 400 wheels.
Who are we going to grudge race with Jimmy Dale? Jimmy by God Dale. You need to change the name of that motherfucker to Jimmy by God Dale.
Well, Dave doesn't want to grudge race because he's been drinking, but then he said he doesn't want to grudge race because I'll count on him if I win. So I'm going to count on you if I win or lose.
Yeah.
I don't really know who else.
We got microphone up here to announce. Like anybody looking to grudge race Jimmy Dale?
I got a loud mouth. I mean, I'll announce it.
Yeah, we're looking for the racers.
Hey, I do believe. Hold on. Sean, you're interrupting me. I do
Sean,
believe
shut the fuck up.
that a newcomer back to No Prep Racing, Sean by God McGee said he would fuck Jimmy Dale up right off.
He's been saying it all day.
But he means it. He come up here just now to say, "Where's this motherfucking Tom Gunner at?"
300 feet. What are you talking about?
Hey, he's just said. He said, "I'm not scared of any Mustang on this property, even though I'm driving it." That's what he said.
Cuts a light like last time.
But he's texting me, and I can't show you because he was like, "Fuck Tom Gunner. He's a mouth wearing that gold bullshit."
I got a hat socket. You should at least tell me, take your rear view off. You can't see Wiley behind that rear view mirror. But usually I'm looking for him in that rear view. I'm like, oh, I got 2 links, so I'm good. But this time it got me.
How long do you need to come up here and fuck his ass up? I'll bet 20.
Hey, what was the verdict on the white car?
Hey, it was good. The white was good. They nailed the white.
Jimmy owes me $20. Sorry, bud.
Holy hell.
20 out of his ass.
Sorry, bud.
But let's get back to reality here. I'm like, I watched Rocky Balboa the other day. Get in the motherfucking ring with this old boy. He's a fucking hillbilly. Look at his son. While you're wearing all this, while you're wearing all this bullshit, look what he's wearing. He said, I got a tombstone over my alive pecker. Look at that.
Talk to the lawyer.
We're going to leave here. We're going to leave here.
What we got?
Yeah, but see, he ropes and wins. He didn't buy this stuff here. You know.
Hey, I won that at an NHRA race. You ever been to one of those? Yeah.
Hey, I've seen one on TV.
Are we betting jewelry or what? You betting against the buckle or what?
I don't want that buckle. He don't want my chain.
Hey, that's a tombstone over a dead dick and it ain't dead. He's here to say.
Too hot for
This is the deal. If I got beat on that light, then I'm just need to work on my program. I apologize.
He just luckily guessed on it. I feel.
Take your rearview mirror off.
I'm gonna say you did really
Take
good.
your rearview mirror off.
The lawyer talk to him. Tell him what you want.
Now hold on, we're working men here, but we'd love to see a Mustang on Mustang crime.
Hey, you guys give us a hit, we'll race for 500.
No, fuck that.
What do you mean?
Give us a hit, we'll race for 500. You want to run head up, you're $300 or you're $500, 300. You're fast. It's a faster car.
Faster car.
That's fun.
I got 421 in that thing. Fast
434. Get it right.
Something like
But
that.
that's fun, and you did a wheelie for 200 feet.
Yeah.
What lane you getting?
I don't give a fuck what lane I get.
If you odd the money, our 300 to your 500,
You get to pick lane choice.
you can take the lane choice.
I wanted to race you, but oh yeah,
Hey, just because I like Mustang on Mustang crime and because he's here, I'll throw 100 down on that bitch. Sean will fuck your ass up. Light to light.
Well, there you go.
I know that's chump change, y'all, but there's a bill right there that he'll fucking bust that ass. I'll give it up. I'll give it up.
Sean's racing.
Money or not?
Where you at, Dave?
So is this, is this on the side?
Anybody
Is this on the side?
Is it side or is it part of Sean's?
I'm covering yours.
We still haven't got
Yeah, on there.
We want the odd money.
I mean, but that's between us. I'll take
Well,
the
it
side.
sounds like them two just covered it for us.
We covered it. Bet, that's a lot.
So it's 500, 500?
Our 300 is.
Why y'all need, I mean,
Hey,
y'all professionals.
Yeah, hustlers.
Now this is hard-earned money. This is hard-earned money. We'll race for 200, right? I just raced for 200. Mine was hard-earned. That's just everybody.
He's lying. Head up, 500, 500. Head up.
Oh, yeah, I was earlier. We're up here on the side.
We said we did the lane choice for the 3 and 5. We get this line. All right. Who's putting the money?
Okay, so you're covering mine?
Hold on, that's what I'm trying. Is this? Are you taking their money to put on your pot, or is this side money?
Put 300 more into that.
Okay, so there'll be 500. He's putting 300, which y'all's 200. That's 500, and we'll. All right, so it's 5 to 3.
5 to 5.
I'll go in with him. So here's 200 for you. You put in 300. Y'all.
There's our 300.
You want to hold it? You want me to hold it?
A lot of math going on.
Don't trust that motherfucker.
I got 20. I think the turbo let go. Needs to check his turbo.
Left lane bumper!
Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you. They just wheelie in the burnout?
Yeah, I think it is.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you.
Hey, I need somebody got change.
Yeah, you need change?
Yeah.
so much. I hate you so much. Chris, what are you trying to do? You trying to get in here or what?
I'll fucking flip your ass off.
Get in there, Chris. Get in there, Chris. Get in there, Chris.
That's ass, motherfucker, paying my money.
Tails.
Run it back.
Woo!
Run it back.
Here.
Hey, flip it a little bit better this time.
Here you go, here you go. You flip it and call it.
Hey.
Two heads and
Give me my goddamn money. Good job, me boy.
Chris, come on. Come on, Chris.
Oh shit.
Tails.
Tails.
Double down. Y'all just know that's gonna show you. Hold on, pull that back.
No, you gotta pull the seat back. You're good. Hit it. Confident.
Heads. Make the motherfucker.
What are we doing, 100? Or are we doing 20?
I'll do one more 100. Turn me up. Turn me up.
Hey!
Got him!
Deb?
Hey, get our sticker in here.
Yeah, maybe we got some followers.
Hey, look, when it backfired, I think you look at all it bubbled it melted it.
Maybe we got some followers from it. So, all right. Well,
I had a guy come by and said, "Hey, he should have just sprayed the plate." I said, "Yeah, we should have, because we wouldn't even be talking. That plate would have outrun the dude you was racing."
Yeah, we 100% shit showed. So
all the way around,
the whole weekend.
Everybody, I think
Dave's car broke.
Dave got a lifter right when he
unloaded it.
To unload.
You stuck your car in neutral.
I stuck it in neutral right.
And nobody was even up there to help you besides Matt. He's the only one that showed up.
Matt showed up, but then we was just scrambling for people out of the crowd.
Yeah. Borrowing pimp
I borrowed
juice.
Murder Nova's pimp juice. Thank goodness he was up there, and you know they was expecting me to fully win against that guy.
Yeah.
You know?
And then I went up there and it was burnout.
Burnout, great. Yeah, you got an A on the burnout.
Purging it, great. You know, just did one purge.
Good.
Pass though, not good.
Now, if we'd have known, we might have should have purged the fogger side down a little.
We should have.
Guess what solenoid it is? 15300s.
Yeah.
I was worried about it because this solenoid, it opens there.
Should have just unplugged the full throttle switch, and I could have just raced on motor and banged the nitrous.
Oh, if you'd have.
Or I could have foot broke up there and just bam hit it.
It would have ripped. So
yeah, and got back. So after I blew my scoop to a million pieces, got back. Car died when I pulled on the trailer with like 30 pounds of oil pressure. We went to start it, and it sounds like it.
Yeah, it's got oil pressure, but it sounds like we got a piston or a valve. I'm thinking it's a valve.
Yeah. So great outing. Everybody
great first outing.
Everybody did good, guys. Everybody did good.
Great job, team.
Especially Dave. Dave did the best out of all of us.
This whole shit, and I'm not coming back.
He didn't lose any money or nothing. So
I lost a lot of money.
I'm glad you didn't get up there when I was racing, then, because you would have probably lost.
Yeah. So
hey,
shit show of a weekend.
You did the scoop. Did a million pieces.
Don't need the scoop no more.
Pieces.
Yeah, the scoop's gone.
I've never seen plexiglass splinter and shatter like that.
Yeah,
so.
scoop's gone. I didn't like that scoop anyway. You know. Yeah, I didn't like that scoop anyway.
Somebody's gonna blow out the
If that guy was behind me, it might have came over and hit him.
Scoop for this car.
Yeah, I do.
That's what it's coming back with.
I do have a well penis scoop, so. But
that would be cool. We could blow that at least 500 feet.
Yeah,
probably.
So I don't know. I'm about to go film round 2 and then probably skedaddle on out of here. You guys are probably headed home, so.
Yeah, we might as well.
Yeah.
There's a cold beer calling my name.
Yeah,
somewhere.
you can stop at Ted's and get you some cervezas. So.
Man.
But
hey, even a bad day at the races still ain't that bad of a day.
I don't know. I had a pretty bad day. I know Dave had a bad day.
I mean,
still better than hunting Easter eggs.
Yeah, I guess.
Still better than hunting Easter eggs.
So.
Jason was shooting Easter eggs out there.
Yeah. Maybe that's what the deal was. Maybe there was a couple of Easter eggs in there, and they couldn't get out.
Yeah. We could hide some eggs up in the sun.
So. All right, we're gonna get out of here. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. We'll holler at you later.